So as soon as Apple announces an event, we have some random source coming out of nowhere saying that, hey, AirPods 3, they're definitely coming this time, and then they don't. We saw this with the April event, we saw this with the September event, and well, now we have leaks regarding the October event featuring the release of these new AirPods. And so let's delve into the likelihood of this happening, but first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so the source of the report is Panda is Bold. Pretty wacky username, but anyways, this source was actually one of the only sources who said the iPad 9 was coming at the September event. You might remember Mark Gurman and a few other sources were saying the iPads could be pushed to October, but that was not the case. And well, Panda is Bold was right. And so I guess that might add some credibility to this report. Anyways, the report's pretty simple, and that is, we should see AirPods 3 alongside the new M1X MacBook Pros, and possibly even the M1X Mac Mini at the October event taking place on the 18th. Now I can see why some may think we could see AirPods 3 at this event. For one, this is the last event we should be seeing for the year, there should not be any November event. But we also know that AirPods 3 have been in production for a while, so of course, we can assume these are ready to go. But ultimately, I don't think we're seeing AirPods 3 at this event, and it's not just because AirPods 3 release rumors have been completely false as of late, there are a few other reasons. So number one, AirPods 3 are a consumer-focused product, and well, it does not really fit with the prosumer narrative we should see with this October event. So we all know the October event is going to be focused on those new M1X machines, and of course, these are made for prosumers, these are professional machines, therefore creative professionals, and so of course in that prosumer narrative, AirPods 3 as a consumer product doesn't really fit. And yes, I know that prosumers also use AirPods, but do remember that AirPods, especially the regular ones, are for the masses, and so if they were launching at an event, it would have made sense to announce them alongside the iPhones, not the MacBooks. And that brings me on to my next point, because if Apple did not go ahead and release AirPods 3 at the September event, that does suggest to me that Apple has no plans to release these new AirPods on stage, because do remember that apart from the OG AirPods, every AirPods release has been done via press release, and so I think we can expect the same with these new AirPods. Another reason why I think AirPods 3 are not launching anytime soon is because of a promotion in India where you get free AirPods with the purchase of a new iPhone 12 or 12 mini. And well, I don't see Apple releasing new AirPods while this promo is active, because Apple rarely gives us discounts on new products, and do remember in the past, Apple does tend to wait before the promotion is over before releasing new products. Take for example these M1X MacBook Pros, or summer there's been a back to school promo where you get free AirPods with some MacBooks, and well, as soon as the promotion is over, Apple announces their October event for these MacBooks. And so clearly the same is going to apply for these new AirPods. As to exactly when we should see them released, well, the promo ends on the 4th of November, so I can see a press release in November or December. In fact, I do think December is more likely because we did see AirPods Max as a Christmas surprise at the end of last year, so I can see Apple replicating that for the release of these new AirPods. And I do think that works because, as I said, AirPods are for the masses, and so I can see many buying this as a last-minute Christmas gift, which of course is going to help AirPods sales skyrocket through the roof. Now obviously I would be very happy if I'm wrong. Apple's been doing a lot of weird things lately, so of course they can randomly drop AirPods whenever they want, and we could see it at the October event. But tell me in the comments below guys, when do you think we're going to see these new AirPods release? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the clip above on details regarding the M2 iPad Pro, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.